Hey everybody, it's Lyn from Lyn's Crafts. I'm coming by to share a small haul. It really is very small, but a haul nonetheless. I'm going to clear all this off so I can show them to you one at a time. Alright, first is just a few things I got off of Wish. There's this little ring mold, which I'm not even sure why I bought it. I'm not into cutesy things normally, but these were just too cute. Alright. Like I said, I don't normally do cutesy, but I have 3 granddaughters and a niece who is crazy about stuff like this. So, this one is the reindeer, which is so cute. This one is the bat wings, or vampire wings, or whatever you want to call them. This one is the angel wings. That did kind of sparkly. Same with the bunny ears, except this one doesn't have the sparkle. And the teddy bear. Super cute too. And this one is going to be everybody's favorite. The unicorn, which I also did sparkly. Alright, super cute. And yeah, I just did them all with amazing clear cast resin. Alright, so that was for that one. Okay, and then there's this set of ring molds, which unfortunately are so tiny. I'm not even sure they would make a pinky ring for me. I was very disappointed in them. But what can you do? They were $1. So I can see why. Alright, so just a couple of little regular circular molds. This one's got a kind of a dome topped shape. This one has a faceted sort of nugget shape at the top. Looks like this one does too. A shorter faceted side. And then this one is a thicker regular just circle ring. Alright, so those would make good children's rings. Maybe a pinky ring, but I don't even think it would fit my pinky, and I got small hands. Alright, sorry about that. I had to go let the dog out, or back in. Then I got these adorable little bead caps. They're just acrylic, but they're really cute. Again, not sure why. I don't normally do a lot of flowery stuff, but they'll still make a good addition to my collection of goodies. Then I got these little jump rings. They're little decorative jump rings. These are welded, so they'll make great addition to when you make a cap or something. While the clay is still raw, you can embed them in the clay. Alright. And then the last thing I got from Wish is I got a set of all 3 of these resin crystalline molds. Oh, they're so pretty. I really can't wait to fill these up with resin and do a few castings. Of course, there are a lot of artists out there that do the little the little doll-like figurines inside. Alright, but I'm excited to try these. I've had them for a while already and haven't done anything with them, but so there's that shape. Oh, I'm sorry for all the crunch. Alright. Sorry about that. Alright, here they all are. Number 1. This is, of course, what it'll look like when you pour it. Will be upright like this. Number 2. And number 3. Alright, and because they're silicone, I will go ahead and store them in the bags they came in. I don't want them to get dusty. Alright? Alright, then I got this really cool frame mold. Sort of a frame. It's a framed scroll. And then these little maple leaves, which I thought were the perfect size for polymer clay. Alright. I'll show you. This is what the frame mold looks like. Alright. Okay. And last but not least, I got a set of steampunk gears just to replace the ones I was almost out of. And these actually just came from Amazon. Alright. Now, for the Sculpey goodies. I actually got these from Sculpey, from Polyform, to do a project for an event they were gonna present at. But the stuff didn't arrive in time, so they still wonderfully allowed me to keep the goodies. I got a set of oval cutters. The only ones I've got is the circle cutters, so those are gonna be handy. Then I got the set of nature cutters. It's all kinds of, look like a little hummingbird, dragonfly, caterpillar, star, butterfly, flower, some leaf shapes, a starfish, a seashell, and another star. Alright. And then I chose the etch and pearl tools. With these, they've got a pokey tool on one end, a point on one end, and then they've got this little really, okay, trust me, there was no easy way to open these. It was a chore. And then they're kind of stuck in there. That was a chore. Alright, like I said, they've got a pointed end on one end, and then they've got a little recessed disc shape on the other end. Now, when you've got raw clay and you embed it into the clay, it will leave a little pearl shape. Alright, they really have lots of uses. So, these are going to be fun to play with. I am so sorry about the sniffling. It just started. For here in Texas, it's no wonder that we're not all sick. It was in the 20s over the weekend. It was still 28 yesterday morning. I'm not sure about this morning. It's still freaking cold. And it's supposed to be 70 by Wednesday. This is a texture sheet set. Yay, easy to open. this first one, I'm just going to leave it on the white background so it's easier for y'all to see. It's got this little flourishy flower type design. This looks like a 70s tile to me. My kitchen used to have tile that looked just like that. A chain link fence kind of pattern. This one is a map. I really like that one. This one is looks like bubbles or raindrops, or, and this one looks like a stone walkway. Alright, flip it over. Okay, and this one is just all the same. It's just a diamond-like reptile skin pattern. That's fun. It gradiates from larger to smaller. That should be really fun. Alright, so there's 2 in the set. Although this one is 6 different patterns. Alright. And then lastly, but not leastly, something I probably would not have chosen on my own. Just not something I'm into, really. I think something like this dictates a little too much of your creativity. But I know that plenty of people will disagree with me. Boy, they sure don't make this stuff easy to get into. Alright. Now, you've got these little, they're silk screens. And you've got these little circle designs. That right there totally dictates the size, shape, and really what you can do with them. Alright. But I do like the designs. I love this one. And this one, and this one. Not so much those 3. And this one kind of looks like peacock feathers in a stylized design. Alright. Then you've got this one, which is an overall pattern. This one, now you could be very creative with. Just use a section, whichever section you want, and you could get a nice design. Okay, this one is more of a mandala design. I am totally not into those, but I do love the peacock feathers. Alright, and then this is another circular design. I love this one. Those are all doable. Alright, and it comes with some acrylic paints. And yes, they are just acrylic paints. You could use any acrylic paints. These are metallic gold and silver. And you get a squeegee, so you can squeegee the design. Alright, these actually have an adhesive backing on them. A light adhesive backing. So you would pull the backing off. Pull the backing off. Alright, it's not really adhesive now that I've said that. Alright, but it's got a slick side and a dull side. I believe the slick side is the one you stick down. Alright, and when you do these, you've got to wash them right away because the design is so fine, the paint will totally mess up the design if you let the paint dry. So, when you do these, have a pan of water setting close, or be willing to jump up and clean them right away. Alright, so I think that was everything. Yeah. Alright, so thank you so much, Polyform, for sending me these. I actually will get some use out of these. They seem to be really fun textures, at least. Alright, so as I said again, thank you so much, Polyform. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.